Dear students, as you know from previous lectures, there are four formulas relating to C and D in terms of sine and cos. Here observe that sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. In both expression C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2 are present. In both expressions sin cos are present. So then you have only expression of sin C plus sin D or sin C minus sin D. But if you have only cos or sin, this will be case of cos C plus cos D or cos C minus cos D. As you know, cos is decreasing function, therefore cos C minus cos D gives sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2, not C minus D by 2. In other words, if you place this as sin C minus D by 2, then it becomes changed cos D minus cos C. Now, based on these four, I have taken four questions for converting RHS into LHS. If sin cos both are present, then clearly case will be of sin. Now check, greater angle is attached with sin or cos. Here C plus D by 2 will be greater than C minus D by 2. If greater angle is attached with sin, then there will be plus. If greater angle will be with cos, there will be minus. Now, add these two angles is equal to sin 5 plus 3 8x, greater angle associated with cos, therefore minus sin of, subtract these two, 5 minus 3 2x. Add these two, subtract these two. Again there is sin and cos, it also of sin, but greater angle is associated with sin, therefore it will be plus sign. Sin of 5 plus 3 8x plus sin of 5 minus 3 2x. In last two, there are cos or sin. Clearly it will be of cos C plus cos D or cos C minus cos D. Here no matter of greater or smaller, because C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2 both are operated by same function cos or sin. Therefore, in cos it will be simply cos of 5 plus 3 8x plus cos of 5 minus 3 2x. But sin is exception, in which 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2 gives sin D minus C by 2. That is, subtract first cos of 5 minus 3x 2x minus cos of, add in second, 5 plus 3 8x. In this way, you can directly write solution of the form this in the form of this. Again listen, in such type of questions, add angles first, subtract angles second. Exception hold at sin, in which subtraction in first, addition in second. Now, sin cos both are present, it will be case of sin. Greater angle associated with sin, it will be plus, with cos, it will be minus. cos cos then plus, sin sin then minus. Cos cos addition first, subtraction second, sin sin subtraction first, addition second. Thank you.